Good morning, boys and girls. This is your band teacher. I'm going to demonstrate for you JeoPArdy, a little song I want to hear on your QWERTY keyboard. Okay, first I'm going to show you the tune. Here it is. I'll tell you the notes. That's a C, F, C, F, C, F, C. C goes high, C goes low. Goes up to A, G, F, E, D, D flat. Then it repeats. D, 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 D. Then it goes to F. Da, 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 da. Well, rather than show you, I'll show you a video of me playing. Watch your teacher at home.
JeoPArdy, boys and girls.
In addition to playing the song, you can play the game. You go to JeoPARDYLab.com and play Jeopardy for Kids. Let's see, start. Let's see, boys and girls, I don't want to make a mistake and look bad on. We live on this planet. Anybody know the answer? Well, right now we live in Mars. We'll call it Earth. Reveal. Oh, that was correct. All right, continue. Press escape for 500. Let's see. U.S. geography for 200. Capital of Idaho is Boise. Arafino. What? The capital of Idaho is Arafino. That is incorrect. I don't know. Let's check this out. In the fictional television show, Family Guy, the Griffins live on this street. I would not know that. Rhode Island. Okay, boys and girls, you can play Jeopardy. Have fun. I'll be back at you soon with some Jeopardy. Let's hear a little more Jeopardy before you go. Let's get a little tune of that going there.
JeoPArdy, boys and girls.